Well, I'm looking in my bulldog bag. Let's see what's in my bulldog bag today. Ooh, what's this? Oh, the Earth, a giant sphere, a big round circle that's 3D, a sphere. Hey everybody, guess what? We're gonna have some fun with science today. Thinking about these right here. Guess why I wore this shirt? There's something in my bulldog bag you are gonna like. It's gonna be fun. Science is awesome. Science rules. I found this. What is that? What's that for? I'm gonna put it over here on my little science table I got set up here because I got so much science stuff. I had to bring a table over here for you. Let's see what else is in my bulldog bag. What are these things? Here's the bubble book. Oh, I see soap. I see a bubble book. Science information. Good thing I learned to read. Science information. Guess what? I don't know everything. I had to read it. Science information. What color is a bubble? Oh, that's a question. A question needs an answer. In science, we ask a lot of questions. There's a surprise at the end of my bag. I'm going to leave it in there for the end. You're going to love it. Bubbles, bubbles everywhere. B is for bubble. That's good enough for me. Bubbles. What do you know about bubbles? I don't know, Mrs. Farley. I don't have anything. I can't make bubbles. Well, you know what? I didn't have anything either. So I was like, wait a minute. I found some soap. We wash our dishes with soap, right? And I found this thing laying around my room. And I bent it and made it into a little circle. But you know, science, you have to try things a lot and do a lot of experiments. And I tried it with a bigger circle. And then I tried putting some soap and some water in here. And I had to get the water and the soap just right. And then I tried it out. What do you think's going to happen? Oh, nothing. What was that? Wait a minute. What was that? Can you catch it? Try to catch it. Oh! It was a sphere. But wait a minute. How does this water and a little bit of soap that I mixed together turn into a sphere? What's inside there? Do you know what's inside a bubble? Air! You got it! There's air everywhere. I started to do a lesson for you about air and science, and there were so many different things with air that I had to just stop and just do, all right, just the bubbles right now. And you know what else is exciting about bubbles? Have you ever seen the color of a bubble? Seems like they're clear, right? But if you look really closely, you can see something. So let me read to you about that. Have you ever seen a rainbow? It says, have you ever seen a rainbow? Every bubble has a rainbow of colors on its surface. Oh, science word, surface, the outside. The surface of my hat has sequins for learning about water and bubbles. Okay, blow a bubble and take a very close look. Look closely. A kaleidoscope of colors swirls across the bubble. Light makes the colors of a bubble shine. Oh, wait a minute. Light, water vapor refracts the white light, and all the colors of the rainbow come out. That's what happens in a rainbow outside, right? In a storm. But on a bubble, there's refraction happening there. Science, refraction. So, light reflects or bounces off both sides of a bubble's soapy skin, inside and out. Inside the bubble with the air, when the reflections meet, they create the colors we see. And guess what else it says? Bubbles are always round. Even if the shape of your bubble maker isn't round, the bubble's going to come out round. Isn't that fun? That's a sphere. Shapes. It says bubbles are round because of something called surface tension. More science. You thought we were just going to play around with bubbles, and here we are learning all this cool science. Surface tension is a force that pulls the soapy skin of the bubble into the sphere. So the surface tension is how tightly the parts stick together. The molecules. Ooh, science is so fun. All right, a sphere is the shape of a globe, or an orange, or a baseball, or every bubble you will ever blow. So let's have some fun blowing some bubbles and finding out. See if you can catch some bubbles. I don't know if this is going to work very well. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Did you see the spheres? Oh my gosh. It happened. I got the amount of water just right with the amount of soap. But I decided it'd be more fun for you if you could see some more different things I have for bubbles. I have this thing for bubbles. It has an oval on it and 2 circles in the middle. What do you think's going to happen? What do we need? What did I put inside the bubble with my mouth? Air. Air is real and takes up space. There's your science, your hypothesis, and what you're proving. You're proving air is real and takes up space. I made an experiment for you that you can see on my other video where you can do an actual science experiment about air is real and takes up space. So watch, let's see. I got to put air in here. Is there any bubble? What does it need? What does it need? It needs air. I put air in the bubble. Look at that. Okay, let's get some air. Now, how are we going to get air from this machine? What do you think is going to happen? There's a little motor inside here, and the motor is going to pull the air from our classroom and put it through. See the little fan? There's a little fan. I'm going to drip everywhere. Watch out. See the fan right there? That fan is going to shoot the air through these things. Somebody got to make that. That was their job. Oh my gosh. What a fun job is that? They're like, I'm going to make a bubble machine for the kids. Oh, okay. We'll pay you money to be a scientist and do that. And an engineer, a designer. Ready? Oh, did it work? See, I had to get the soap and the water just right to the right thickness and to cover all of that. Oh, did it work? Here it comes. Oh, did you catch them? Oh, I think the air conditioner in my room. Wait a minute. Air conditioner. Oh, that's blowing air. Air is around you everywhere. Air is real and takes up space. It's blowing my bubbles. Watch out. The bubbles are blowing. Ow! Did you see the giant one? Did you catch it? Oh my gosh. Maybe you can figure out something at home to use to make bubbles. Wouldn't that be fun? Maybe you can just make it out of anything. You could try and ask an adult to help you figure out a way to have a bubble maker. Okay, but you got to have your air from your lungs. Your lungs hold the air so it comes out and you can hear my voice and everything. I got something for you great. You're going to love this. Get ready. Get ready. Here's another bubble machine. But guess what? Something happened. When I turned my bubble machine on, it didn't work. I didn't know what to do. I kept trying and trying and trying different ways and thinking and rethinking. And it has a battery and it has bubbles down in here. There's soap and water in here. And it has to somehow get the soap and water to go all the way up here and out of the hole. Right up here, there's a hole for it to come out of. And there's a little fan that turns in there. Oh, science is so exciting. Okay, we have to have an off button. We have an on button just for, what's this part? Music. Do music. Yay, go music. Light and music. But what would be more fun? Light and music and bubbles. Come on, bubbles. Come to the top. Come to the top. Oh, spheres. It's air. It's science. It's spheres. Catch a bubble. Catch a bubble. Woohoo! How fun is that? Science rules. See you next time.